Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest collection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. Today we will be featuring our memorial Cross in My Pocket keepsake. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Doing so enables us to continue making helpful content during a time of loss. By gathering information beforehand, it can help you through the emotional funeral planning process. Our memorial Cross in My Pocket keepsake is exclusively created by the Funeral Program site. The small stone token is affixed to our special card with the popular poem for a perfect memorial or encouragement during a time of loss. The Cross in the Pocket stone is made of a special blend of resin and other durable materials for a lightweight stone look. The cross in its center offers a golden textured cross with a hint of shimmer and glitter, set in the center of the rounded natural stone shape. It is a welcomed gift for anyone experiencing heartache, trouble, or sorrow. It is a pure reminder that God is with us and will never leave us. The back of the cross can be personalized with up to 3 lines of optional text. It makes a great sympathy gift for anyone who has recently suffered a loss or a reminder of our faith in God. This Cross in My Pocket is made in the USA and measures approximately 1 inch wide by 1 inch in height. Order yours today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.